Hey guys, we are going to solve question number 22. Let's see what the question states. From a uniform circular disk of radius r and mass n 9m, a small disk of radius r by 3 is removed as shown in the figure. The moment of inertia of the remaining disk about an perpendicular axis to the plane of disk and the passing through center of disk is. Now, if we look closely at the figure, the x and y axis has been drawn, and we have already drawn the smallest circle with the radius r by 3. Now we know that mass is proportional to area and it is also proportional to r square. So the mass of the portion which has to be removed would be m1 upon m naught equal to 1 by 9, and m1 is mentioned to be m naught by 9. Here we simply send it over here, and simply this would be equal to m. Now we have to find the moment of inertia, so we will start with the formula I naught equal to 9mr square by 2 minus m into r by 3 whole square by 2 plus m into 2r square by 3, and after simplifying it we reach this particular equation, which can further be simplified as I naught equal to 9mr square by 2 minus of 9mr square by 18, and after further simplification it would be 9mr square by 2 minus mr square by 2, and this would be resulting in 8mr square by 2, which simply comes out to be 4mr square. So if we look closely, our I naught is 4mr square.